Ed has just been amazing. I think he's such out there, like, innovative person. He's that leader, and all that. I remember that video at the very beginning where the nut and then the followers, like, that is just encapsulates Baz so much. I came here just to how to use social media because I'm not really I had my first tweet, you know, yesterday, and I've done 4 now. I've just got my picture done, but so that's why I came. I was attracted by that, but it is so much more, and I'm so happy that I've come. And so much content, can't believe it. Like, most conferences, you want them to say, oh, you can go home now at 4 o'clock because, you know, we've run out, or everyone's getting a bit bored, whatever. And everyone's here at 5:45, both 2 days in a row. Can't believe it.